Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentle. Here are today's headlines. Active COVID-19 caseload in the country is 1.37%. Prime Minister Modi launches Aham Mala and lays the foundation stones of 2 hospitals. Opposition criticizes government's handling of NTET issue. And Lum Sokpet Beneng pilgrimage concludes today. The news in detail. There are 1,48,766 active cases in the country, which comprises only 1.37% of the total positive cases. A total number of 12,059 new cases have been reported in India in the past 24 hours, taking the cumulative positive cases to over 1 crore 8 lakhs. The Health Ministry said 78 deaths have been reported, taking the toll to over 1,54,000 across the country. Over 57 lakh people have been administered COVID-19 vaccination so far in India. The country's COVID-19 recovery rate has improved to 97.19%. Meanwhile, in the state, the total active cases stands at 102, with 147 people succumbing to the disease. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Aham Mala program in Dekiajuli of Sonitpur district in Assam with an aim to boost the state's road infrastructure and to contribute to the state's economic progress and improve connectivity. Modi also laid the foundation stones of medical colleges and hospitals in Bishwanath and Charaidio at a cost of over 1,100 crore rupees with an aim to boost Assam's health infrastructure. The 2 medical colleges and hospitals are being set up at Bishwanath and Charaidio at a total estimated project cost of over 1,100 crores. Each hospital will have a 500 bed capacity and 100 MBBS seat capacity. Chief Minister Sarbanando Sonowal and his ministerial colleagues have also attended the event.
सोनितपुर की ये धरती, असम का ये अतीत बार बार मेरे मन को असमिया गौरव से भर रहे हैं। साथियों, हम सब हमेशा से सुनते आए हैं, देखते आए हैं कि देश की पहली सुबह पूर्वोत्तर से होती है। लेकिन सच्चाई ये भी है कि पूर्वोत्तर और असम में विकास की सुबह को एक लंबा इंतजार करना पड़ा है।
The opposition Congress has criticized the Meghalaya government's handling of the issue of the NTET question paper leak. Congress spokesperson Zenith Sangma said that although the question paper for Meghalaya teachers' eligibility test was leaked in some parts of the state government had withheld the results of the exams only in Dadingre subdivision of West Garo Hills, stating that the entire process should have been revisited and a fresh examination should have been conducted.
Center. Then during this, the question paper in the written test, the question paper was leaked in some part of the state, and it was told to be under Dadingri subdivision. So they have withheld the result of the MTET from the Dadingri subdivision. So the entire process should have been revisited and fresh examination should have been conducted. So whatever the state government has gone with this interview is completely wrong.
The annual pilgrimage to Lum Sokpet Beneng concluded today with the marking of lime on the boulder at the arched entrance along the foothills of Sokpet Beneng Peak. Thousands of people from all over the Khasi Jaintia Hills belonging to the indigenous tribal faith, the Sengkhasi, thronged the sacred Ulum Sotpetbeneng atop the 1,344-meter high peak about 16 kilometers from Shillong today to offer their obeisance to God with traditional rituals and rites, dances and songs. The Meghalaya Raj Bhavan in a statement clarified that the remarks of Governor Satyapal Malik on the ILP issue are his personal views. A statement issued by the Raj Bhavan in this regard stated that in view of media reports that claim that the governor has indicated ILP would be harmful to the state, is his personal views, and the governor has never conveyed this to the government of India nor attempted to influence them in any way. It is clearly a matter between the state government and the central government. A massive flood has been reported from Chamoli district where the water level in Dhaula Ganga river rose suddenly following an avalanche near a power project at Raini village in Tapovan area of the district. The flooding due to avalanche breaching of a reservoir has destroyed riverbank side houses. 100 to 150 casualties are feared in the flash floods, and ITBP personnel have rushed for the rescue of feared casualties. The Chamoli district magistrate has instructed officials to evacuate people living along the villages on the bank of Dhauli Ganga river. The district magistrate and the superintendent of police have left for the spot.
पट के आसपास एक बहुत बड़ी दुर्घटना हुई है। ग्लेशियर टूटने के कारण पहाड़ नदी में गिरने के कारण पानी का बहाव बहुत बड़ा है। पहले रूसी गंगा और बाद में अलकनंदा, वहां पर जलस्तर बढ़ने की शुरुआत हुई है। कुछ लोगों के हताहत होने की भी प्राथमिक सूचना हमें मिली है। एनडीआरएफ की 3 टीमें वहां पहुंच गई है। बाकी की टीमें दिल्ली से फ्लाई कर उत्तराखंड की ओर जाने के लिए तैयार हैं।
The Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar today flagged off the Corona Vaccination Awareness Campaign of the Regional Outreach Bureau, Pune. Speaking on the occasion, he said that India is the first country to cross 50 lakh vaccinations and is planning to vaccinate the entire population. Javadekar said that this awareness campaign is being organized to clear all misunderstandings regarding the corona vaccine. During this awareness campaign, 16 vans equipped with modern communication tools supported by folk artists will travel across Maharashtra and Goa. 800 folk artists will make people aware about coronavirus and the utility of vaccines through their programs. Here's a look at the weather report in Shillong. The maximum temperature was 15.7 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature dropping to 6 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 52%, rising to 69% in the evening with rainfall measured at 0.2 millimeters. The weather forecast tells us light rains and thunder showers are very likely to occur at isolated places. And for our viewers, here's a quick recap of today's headlines. The active COVID-19 caseload in the country is 1.37%. Prime Minister Modi launches Ahom Mala and lays the foundation stones of 2 hospitals. Opposition criticizes the government's handling of the MDET issue. And Lum Sotpetbeneng pilgrimage concludes today. Well, that's all the news we have for you today. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.